Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. Thank you guys so much for returning for another video with me. So today I have some cleaning motivation, and as always I hope that it gets you up and going to get some things done around your home. As always, I will be sure to have all of the products listed down in the description box, so definitely check there if you guys are interested in anything that I'm going to be using throughout this video. And if it's your first time here, then hello, welcome. My name is Nina, and I hope that you enjoy this video and my energy just enough to click that subscribe button. If you are a returning squad member, then welcome back, squad. Go ahead and click that notification bell before you leave so that you get alerts each and every time I upload. I'm going to be starting off in my bedroom. I'm just going to be making the bed up and straightening up a bit, as well as passing the vacuum.
Everything feels a little bit lighter with you. Something's letting me heal. You're making it brighter right through the gray.
Alright guys, so I am going to be resealing the granite today. I'm also going to be doing this downstairs as well. I do have a full video going into detail about the products that I am using and the benefits of doing this on my channel already. I will find it and have it linked down below if you guys want a more detailed video of the benefits. I will tell you guys, I had never heard of sealing your granite until we purchased our home and had a conversation with our builder. And since doing this, it's definitely something that I will take the time out to do each and every year. One of the biggest benefits of doing this is to make sure that you're not getting any discoloration in your granite, marble, and or stone, whatever it is you have. And I absolutely love these products. Our countertops are always so nice and shiny. Again, I will have that video down below, so definitely check it out, because again, I do go into detail as well as kind of step by step throughout the entire process if you guys are interested.
XO, my ace boom boom, no flex, no. I won't gas you up like petrol, just trying to take you way up where the jets go. But you didn't notice that. Keep clocking all my hours, I told you that. Work now, play later, but you keep going off on me. Keep texting like it's all on me. Yeah, you're all in my head like you're my forever, not for right now. My day one, you hold me down. Hard cold like the wintertime. Fight for your love, can't slow me down. Don't go far. I take me and you over living large. Know I'll be there wherever you are. Cause you shine bright like a shooting star.
Everything feels a little bit lighter with you. Something's letting me heal. You're making it brighter right through the gray.
gonna start over again. Too much went down between you.
Into the living room, I am just going to be freshening up in here. We have been lounging in here watching movies, so I just needed to fluff the pillows, dust, as well as pass the vacuum.
One time thing, it won't happen no more. Didn't I say you did the wrong thing? Did it for the wrong reasons. Kept on going, wrong direction. Went into deep at first. Take what you need, tryna guess what happens after this. I'm moving out, find a place where I can breathe. Yeah, you show it all, don't want anything to do with you. This is my win, I don't even care no more, care no more. Yeah, how did we end up at this place? So much of us going to waste. I wish it didn't have to be like that. Please wake me up. Oh, I know that you care, but does it really matter? Feeling inside out, not sure where to go. Didn't I say you did the wrong thing? Did it for the wrong reasons. Kept on going, wrong direction. Went into deep at first. Take what you need, tryna guess what happens after this. I'm moving out, find a place where I can breathe. Yeah, you show it all, don't want anything to do with you. This is my win, I don't even care no more, care no more. Lost for you, win for me. Lost for you, win for me. Yeah, lost for you, win for me. Lost for you, lost for you. Lost for you, win for me. Lost for you, win for me. Yeah, lost for you, win for me. Lost for you, lost for you. All I can do now is drink, yeah. Cause I don't wanna remember you. Oh no. Didn't I say you did the wrong thing? Did it for the wrong reasons. Kept on going, wrong direction. Went into deep at first. Take what you need, tryna guess what happens after this. I'm moving out, find a place where I can breathe. Yeah, you show it all, don't want anything to do with you. This is my win, I don't even care no more, care no more. Lost for you, win for me. Lost for you, win for me. Yeah, lost for you, win for me. Lost for you, lost for you. Lost for you, win for me. Lost for you, win for me. Yeah, lost for you, win for me. Lost for you, lost for you.
I'm gonna go ahead and load the dishwasher as well as wash some dishes by hand. You guys will notice that I had to pull out my handy dandy cleaning gloves today. One, I had just given myself a new manicure, girl, so I was not trying to mess up my nails. And two, I had cut my hand like the night before when I was prepping dinner, and I did not want to get my band-aid wet. So on my left hand, I do have on 2 gloves, and that's why, in case anyone is wondering. So once I finished the dishes, I kind of went down a rabbit hole. I know I am not the only one that is like this. Listen, girl, the plan for this video was not this plan, but we just kind of went there. So I ended up seeing dust, I guess, and y'all, I completely lost it because, listen, next thing I know, I had my vacuum and I was vacuuming on top of the cabinets as well as wiping down all of the cabinets using hot water and awesome. I will say, since we've moved in this house, I do find myself wiping down the cabinets a lot more, mainly because they are white and you can see everything. And listen, it was a whole situation, it needed to be done, and I went ahead and knocked it out. So let me know down below if you start off sometimes doing one task and then you kind of go down a rabbit hole and you find yourself doing something that was not a part of the plan.
But something in my mind tells me it's easy to make it come around. I think you want me the same way I want you, almost so easy. Baby, there ain't nobody like you. No, it's true. Could do the things you do just like you. Baby, there ain't nobody like you. Do you feel the same? 'Cause I got high hopes. Do you want the same? Or is it just a game? 'Cause I got high hopes. Ooh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Ooh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Ooh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Do you feel the same? 'Cause I got high hopes. Do you want the same? 'Cause baby, all I got is high hopes. Do you feel the same? Do you want me, babe? Or is it just a game? 'Cause I got high hopes. I could be lying and tell you you're fine. I could be lying the rest of the night. But I won't do it, no, no way I'm saying so. I could pretend that you're doing okay. I could give in when you want it your way. But I won't do it, no, no way I'm saying so. He's been seeing someone else. He's been paying for hotels. Oh, it breaks my heart.
All right, girls, so back to our regular scheduled program. I had to get out of those leggings and I went and changed into some shorts because listen, I hadn't broke a sweat, okay? So now I am going to be sealing the backsplash as well as the grout. Again, I will have that video that I initially did linked down below, so definitely check that out. And I am going to be working in sections. It's definitely important that you do so when sealing your countertops as well as your grout and your backsplash. And once I get everything wiped down, I am going to go ahead and do the countertops again, working in sections.
Promise I'll be here to hold you, my friend. It's not your fault, oh no, no way I'm saying so. He's seeing someone else. He's been paying for hotels. Oh, it breaks my heart to have to tell you this. And baby, I know it hurts. I know it hurts. The faster you realize, the quicker you learn. So don't be afraid to cry every tear you got inside. And baby, I know it hurts.
Alright guys, so I'm going to wrap this video up by finishing up with the floors. I hope that you all enjoyed this video. If so, please do not leave without giving it a big thumbs up. Guys, I was exhausted once I was finished doing all of this, but I felt so accomplished because I was able to get some things marked off my to-do list that I have been honestly putting off. So it did feel really good to go ahead and knock these tasks out. I will tell you, if you guys plan to seal your countertops, your grout, or anything like that, make sure you are blocking out enough time to do so, because it can be a little time consuming, especially because you do have to work in sections. So yeah, I hope that you guys enjoy, and definitely come back and join me for the next one. Bye guys.